Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to open Play Store. Then in Play Store you have to tap here. Then go to the My Apps and Games. And here in the Updates section you can see all of your updates pending. So you can just update your apps here by tapping Update button next to them, or just tap Update All and update them all at once. So yeah, here you can update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.